So if you are always chasing others' attention, praise, and validation, then maybe you don't even realize that how you are creating emptiness in your soul. Yes, because when you chase someone attention and validation, you feel you become dependent on their attention. You literally give them power to manipulate your mental being. You can feel yourself when they stop giving you enough attention, you start feeling depressed and inferior. So listen carefully. If you feel depressed and inferior when someone, and maybe a girl, stop giving you attention and praise, because of that you start doing unnecessary action so that you win back their attention. If you ever felt like this, then you just need to wake up, because you just don't giving others power, you're also making your happiness dependent on their validation. Like, you start craving for their attention and praise. It is a stupid habit to live with, because whenever you do something for the sake of their attention and validation, you literally hurting yourself. You literally creating emptiness in your own life. Yes, just break your own boundaries for the sake of some other person. And in the end what you felt, you literally become depressed, find yourself that you have nothing. If you literally want to validate yourself by doing things that you like, that you love to do, that make you more confident and give you satisfaction. Do that thing. Don't seek validation from others. Let's cope it with real problems behind validation. First, stop doing unnecessary show-off. Ask yourself that are you doing things for the sake of attention and praise of others? Yes, sometimes people expect things from you like parents and teachers, but that is a different thing. They are your guider and they are your mentor. They know what good for you. That's why they are expecting from you. And if they expecting that you should score high in exam, study, build discipline and manners. Yes, so that's why that is a different thing. But if you are doing something for the sake of attention, and that action and act of you give you nothing but only affecting your goals, and that act is not creating any value in your life, then you are definitely doing something for the sake of others, and that will definitely create emptiness. Yes, so you have to be aware. If you are literally doing something purposelessly for the sake of group member, for the sake of someone attention and praise, like show off. Yes, people are literally too much addicted to doing show off, to feel superior than others and making other inferior. Relation, if you are show off, those people that not even deserve how valuable you are, they don't even deserve it. So if you are doing things for the sake of their attention, what you get? Nothing but attention of some crabs and dopamine chaser that will only create fake bonds, because they will only attracted toward you because of your soul. It will never build real bonds. It only create fake friendship. That's why people get attracted to fake friends, and after they are for friendship and their purpose of friendship, and that friendship also, because show off will only attract fake pupils. Real bond, valuable pupil, real valuable bond is only created by communication between emotions and feelings. Real bond never created by doing show off. Even relationship does not created by real relationship does not created only by doing show off. If you try to attract some girls by showing your expensive watches and luxury bike and cars, then that girl will definitely leave you if you ever get broke. Yes, it is truth. That girl will never side with you forever in your life. So stop doing unnecessary show-off, because if you are really some valuable person, then you don't have to show others that I have this qualities and that qualities, I have this, I am that, I have that. That qualities will automatically come in front of others. Second, stay away from the people and group who prioritize popularity and fame. So if your friends think that impressing that girl and gaining attention and popularity makes them an Oscar winner, then stop copying them. Because if you hang out with people like this, you will also get same mindset. You will also get trapped in the same mindset. Because if you hang out with these people, you will literally try to copy them. You try to copy their act, that what they are doing, what make them popular. And people like this will always prioritize and give more concern about what other people think. They will start doing animated thing for the sake of attention, so that they will get attention of whole class, whole group. So if your friends value other attention more than his own self-worth, if your friends always talking about your clothes and others' clothes, then discussing about your life, that how you can improve it, that how we can achieve this or that for increasing our own values, then you have to stop giving attention and break the friendship with people like this, because people like this will only make you more dependent on things like attention and make you more prone to depress. Listen carefully the things that I will tell you. You have to be aware of these things to break this habit. Just be aware that what you are doing, what purpose you are doing this act and this action. Like you are studying for the sake of score high in the exam. So you have to be aware of that. What you are doing, that you are doing things for the sake of attention of somebody. Be aware. Second, stop hanging out with people who value gaining popularity and fame. If you hang out with those people, you know your mindset will also become like them. So stop hanging out with people like this. If you can't do that, then tell them that this habit is bad. Yes, listen, you will gain nothing after seeking attention of others and praise of others. But if you live purposefully and value your self-worth more than others, you will definitely gain real confidence and respect for yourself.